Before I got up, I promised you that you will leave here before 5:30, and I will make sure I don't take more time to make sure you are going. So I'm not even reading a speech. So because of that, Mr. President, I just want to read a few comments. I have already welcomed you in the video. There is no need to welcome you again. I also want to use the opportunity to appreciate you for dedicating your time and for the committed leadership you have shown. You have just handed over as the chairman of ECOWAS, and you have done a fantabulous job, and we are proud of you, and we want to commend you for what you have done. You are indeed a statesman, a democrat, nationalist, and inspirational leader, and we continue to learn from you. Today, indeed, marks another watershed in the annals of the history of Nasarawa State. Since you assumed office in 2023, this is the first time you are visiting as your friend, the Emir of Latvia has told you, and we are happy that you have come in as the president of Nigeria. Your renewed hope agenda and the economic reforms, especially regarding the withdrawal of fuel subsidy and foreign exchange, are most of the things that we have seen, and today you have seen the results of that. I have invited most of my friends who always say, the money for this subsidy, where is it going? I say, come to Nasarawa, you will see where the money is going. And today, we have shown them where the money is going. Your Excellency, you have earlier commissioned all these projects. I was in the vehicle when I was telling you because of the nature of our own state. This is not my senatorial zone. My senatorial zone is Akwanga, the next one from here. And in that senatorial zone, you have also an underpass, exactly what you have seen in Latvia. That is what is happening here. In the senatorial zone of Kefi, that is where the former chairman, Abdullah Adamu, comes from. There is again another identical overhead flyover that is going on in Kefi, like the one you have just commissioned right here. Your Excellency, you have seen most of what you have to see, so there is no need for me to go repeating most of the things. I want to thank Honorable Minister Dele Alake for always working with you to ensure, the reform agenda when it comes to the aspect of solid minerals, and for his continuous effort in ensuring that Nasarawa State attracts most of these processing industries. In the next 2 months, Your Excellency, he has just shown you one, which is the biggest so far in the country. But in the next 2 months, we are going to commission one that is 3 times what we have just seen right now in Endo. And that one is owned by Julian Mining and Canmas. These companies are the biggest when it comes to lithium mining worldwide, and I visited their facilities also there. But we are not just installing these companies, we are also attracting protection of the environment and attracting the economy of the environment. We entered into an agreement recently with one of the companies that is building this biggest lithium company, and that one has already given us what they call a signature bonus, a part ownership of 2.5 billion naira, which we are actually sharing with the community when it comes to that. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I won't take much of your time, but to continue to thank you. One aspect that has not been mentioned at all, Your Excellency, is the aspect of our oil and gas. Being an oil and gas expert yourself, after working for Mobil for this number of years, I think I can speak technical, and I think you will understand. So far, in 2023, there is an exploration well that was going on in Obi local government area of the state. There has been a discovery of hydrocarbons in excess of 1 billion in that site. We are asking you, Your Excellency, to ensure that they come back and drill the next exploration well, the appraisal well, and the development package, so that we can start producing oil from that site. Your Excellency, we are telling you that this is the best for the country, this inland. We will become another Saudi Arabia if we have a deep onshore operation, so that we can have an integrated oil and gas facility, similar to what they have in Saudi Arabia, so that we can do exploration, production, refining, and as well as gas production, power production, and be able to truck finished product from other parts of the country. Your Excellency, we believe you can do that, and we're asking you to please go ahead and do that for us. Once more, Your Excellency, let me thank you for the support when it comes to human capital development, which you have sent the Vice President twice to come and witness that in Nasarawa State. Just to digress, Your Excellency, the reason why we continue to promote vocational and technical education in Nasarawa State is because when I was working for Dangote Group, and my boss is here, Mansour Ahmed, we actually wanted to do this refinery that is at Efe right now. It was supposed to be in Ondo State. Because of the challenges we had in Ondo, we couldn't actually build it there. So we relocated it to Lagos. And when the time came to start installing most of the heavy equipment, Your Excellency, we had to go to India to bring in over 4,000 technicians into Nigeria to come in and start working on that. So I said, when I became the governor, I said, we are going to set up this facility so that next time a Dangote or anybody is building that, they should come to Nasarawa instead of India to be able to do that. Your Excellency, finally, I want to thank you sincerely for finding some of our sons and daughters who are working with you. I want to thank you for Musa Yakubu, the Presidential Protocol Liaison Officer that is working with us. Ahmed Ali Tijani, the Federal Commissioner for Refugees, who is doing a fantastic job. Silas Agara, the DG of NDE, who is also doing a fantastic job in employment. Shehu Usman Osidi, the MD of Federal Mortgage Bank, who has turned the Federal Mortgage Bank completely into something else. Our chairman, Dr. Ali Bello, for being the chairman that he has been doing, and we are working on that. I want to sincerely thank you for Imam Suleiman Ibrahim, the Honorable Minister of Affairs, who has continued to make us proud by driving the Renewed Hope Social Impact Program for women and children across Nigeria. And she seems highly committed to Mr. President's plan regarding uplifting, empowering, impacting the lives of 10 million Nigerians. We also appreciate you for returning some of our sons and daughters. Professor Abubakar Audi, the CG NSCDC, Honorable Nasiru Kwara, the Chairman of the National Population Commission, Ali Al-Makura, the Commissioner, Revenue Mobilization and Fiscal Commission, and so many others. And we are calling on you and pleading with you, Your Excellency, that anytime it is time for the renewal of these people, please renew, because they are very hardworking people and they will continue to do the best they can. We thank you for all the other projects here in Nasarawa State, especially the payment that we have received from you recently concerning our airport. That payment is still safe. We are adding additional amount of the same amount of the payment, which is 9.5 billion, so that we can construct another road from here to connect to Kefi without necessarily going some of these areas. And we will come back to you to appeal to you, Your Excellency, because most of these works are going on federal highways, so that we can get some reimbursement. Because if we don't get reimbursement, we will put actually some toll gates, so that along every time he's going to Shandan, he has to pay about 3 times at least before he pays. And that is the way it is going to go. I thank you, family, for wonderful things that you have done, Mr. President. I stop here. Long live Nasarawa State, long live Mr. President, long live Federal Republic of Nigeria.
The hope of Nigeria. Hope Zodima, Governor of thank you. And Governor of Borno, Niger, Benue, Ogun, Kaduna. If I miss you, forgive me. I'm too excited. Former governors here present. My friend Tanko Al-Makura, and my former chairman, Senator Abdullahi. Thank you. You've seen the product of your hard work. Standing before you, so don't blame me if I say I'm excited or exhausted. I'm in Nasarawa State, a state that represents the macrocosm of Nigeria. The national anthem that came back, that we are singing now, will have started from Nasarawa State. It is the stage of great complexity that has the diversity of culture, people, and prosperity. I'm very proud to be here. To all of you, thank you for a welcome reception that is so, engaging and up to the cultural groups. Plus my friend, And I went through the papers this morning. I saw so many advertorials. Adamu, former IG, Aliyu Wadada, and all of that. Welcome to Nasarawa. Okay, I'm here. And I'm going back to that little place where you put me. I'll be back here to celebrate all of you and celebrate the joy of a transformative Nigeria that is emerging and coming up. We've turned the corner of depression, of uncertainty. We've cut the waste. You've listened to a daily alake. I won't go much on the economic dynamism that we are facing. But the hope is here. From this moment on, you will have no regrets. I could see hard work coming from A.A. Sule, determined to use the resources available to him for the benefit, stability, and prosperity of Nasarawa State. Sule is doing well because Bola Tinubu is doing well too. Those who have triggered the alley politics and the partition of coalition, suddenly, just don't pay them any attention. They are the political IDPs. Don't give them a home. The hope is here. Sule is doing well. We will support whatever a Governor Sule brings about to work harder for the prosperity and renaissance of Nasarawa State. That's all we stand for. I'm not geared for what they try to pull on me, only political campaign. But who is a politician who will keep quiet when the gangsterism are forming a coalition to unseat themselves? And I want to say thank you, the First Lady of Nasarawa State, thank you very much. My wife told me of your hospitality and a great message that you know, while she was here. She asked me to give you our regards and respect. And in Imam, the Minister for Women Affairs, thank you for what we are doing, the mobilization of women, the encouragement, the empowerment. I say thank you very much. I could see the fertile lands. I could see the mechanization effort of the governor. I could see equipment rolling. I could see sacks and bags and the rapid growth and harvesting of rice and millet and many other things. Yes, we will work with you to ensure values are added to your mineral deposits. But don't, because you are a solid mineral state, forget your agriculture. We are going to make agri profitable, sexier, and interesting for all of you, the youths, the women, and we will empower you through small-scale financing, loan, and opportunity for prosperity. Thank you very much. I am glad I'm here. I want to stay, but the weather is warning me. Thank you very much. Enjoy your stay. God bless Nasarawa State. God bless Nigeria. God bless everyone.
Given by the government of our dear state. Thank you very much. May God bless the state. I guess all commission to pray. Bola Tinubu, UCFR.